Gentlemen, this is the Morning Gardener, and I'm sitting here making some videos and also having fun with the garden thing because I'm using a lot of good products, and I hope that all of you are having a good summer coming on here in Maryland. I hope you're having a good gardening season. We're having a great gardening season here. I put a lot of plants in the ground. I still have more to go, and I'm telling you, I'm doing some things this year. Watch my videos and please subscribe. I'm telling you, I'm doing some things that are making plants look like the professionals used their knowledge to create beautiful plants. So stay tuned. This is the Morning Gardener, and we're going to continue on with the gardening season. All right now.